To begin, click Enter New Receipt in the top navigation bar. The system will automatically generate a unique receipt ID for your record. Next, set your receipt date and choose a category. In this example, we'll select Home Renovation from the drop-down menu. Then choose Home Depot as our merchant. Now, let's attach the physical proof. Click Add Photo under the main receipt slot. Select your image file and click Open to link it to this entry. Input your financial details next. Enter the subtotal, followed by the tax amount. The application will automatically calculate the final receipt total for you. Select your payment type. We'll use credit card for this transaction. If you need to include specific details for your records, add them in the Notes field. Here, we're noting that these were supplies for a garage renovation. Once everything looks correct, click Save at the top right. Click Confirm on the pop-up, and once you see the Done message, your receipt is securely logged. The form will then reset, ready for your next entry.